Hi mga higala, welcome back to my channel. O karon mga higala, moadto na punta sa game sa akong anak sa baseball game. Kay last day nila karon pero gahapon na sila dula unya. Ula ko ni adto karon na lang kay last day. Kung dili sila makadaog karon, pero makadaog sila karon na kay dula sa sunod na game. So, para manghigala ko yung game o kay mga higala og na anak ko sa sakyanan, nagpaabot pa ko ni daddy kay nag-ilis pa. So, akong GoPro ibutasan na ako sa windshield para mag-drive ko na ay videos. Nagaya ani nila. Hinoon taas pag oras. Panitarungan ang mirror. Good.
Mommy, see
Archie,
this?
where's my hat,
See
Javier? Archie?
I'm gonna drink 3 bottles of this stuff. Don't record me.
Yeah.
We're missing the entire Yankee game.
No.
If the recording comes out, oh, we got something anyway.
Daddy, the bees have won 2 in a row.
Much better early compared to late.
What do you think of that, Daddy? The bees have won 2 in a row. Is that good?
It's so sunny.
Yeah, it's good.
Let's go, bees.
Yeah, let's go, Archie.
9 teams?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what they needed that extra one for.
Yeah, we're facing the 9th team. Nobody's playing except us today.
Put us in the 100-degree temperature.
Oh, it's because, when else are they gonna do that?
Maybe have no time for later. Have no place to put.
They're on a strict schedule.
So, then what if we beat them? Then we're done.
Oh, and then we face the first game. Let's see if the monkey give us good luck. No, we're gonna lose.
Oh my god, the
Earthquake.
bridge is shaking.
Oh,
My
my
goodness.
bottle of water just turned into a Coca-Cola plus Mentos thing.
This bridge I scared because it shake.
I love this bridge.
There's no
It's
train.
my
That's what
favorite
concerns me.
bridge.
Yeah,
Whenever we brought the cooler in the car. Before we get out, we're gonna fill that red water bottle. So it's way out and take the walk. Should be a different umpire today, right? What place is that team we played yesterday?
Huh?
The team we played yesterday.
What about
What's their record?
look at it there. The Mets have the best OPS in the league. Did you know that?
Yeah, they're 8-2.
Nice. Well, 8.
Last 10 games, 8-2.
4-1, okay?
So they were a crummy team.
Lost 17-8, I believe, last time we faced them. So
So
we're
how
dead.
did they wind up 2-6 if they're that good?
Who? Let me look at their games. They lost their first game 14-9, then they won 17-8 against us, and then they lost 15-1, and then
15.
they lost 8-16, then they lost 20-3, then they lost 11-13, then they lost 18-9, then they won 10-9, and that's their season. What do you think of that?
A lot of close games.
Let's go. 110. Our runs average. Wait.
3.
Yeah. So our what is RA again mean?
Forgot.
RA.
They got some dumb statistics there.
Like RA is like
Making it right at the slide.
so.
Right?
Yeah.
I don't know what it's called yet. I said it yesterday. We were talking about it.
Yeah.
It's like 86. Yeah, like 86. No, why?
Because the umpire that you told
No,
me.
because I'm swinging. Either my bat's too low or high.
Where the hell are they all going?
They're all going to the best road on earth.
This is the way to Wyoming. Hour
Let's go to
away.
Wyoming. This ain't the way to Wyoming.
Yep. You get up to 89, take 89 up.
If we went I feel like if we went straight up,
Be in New York.
right here, we would be in Colorado.
Yeah, you would be. But if you take this road, come to 89, go 89 north, and,
go to Bear
and
Lake.
an hour and a half later, you'll be in Wyoming.
They're like,
You got a $140 ticket. Then we go back there again. By Bear Lake Security. Get in the left lane.
be in Wyoming.
Okay. That's what I said.
If we went
You gotta
straight-
take the road, 89.
If we went straight, we would hit the Uintas. To Wyoming.
What's your speed?
We go to J&J. 25.
25, it's speeding.
Speeding.
Subdivisions are 20.
Well, this is our do or die game. Are we gonna do it or are we gonna die?
If we get some hits from you, we have a chance.
From me. So if I hit 2 home runs,
Not a home run, just a base hit. A small little ground ball.
how much I just should do? I should just butt.
Run fast. Because it's difficult to do that. It's hard. You have to learn it. You haven't practiced.
Not butt.
25 that the residence area speed. The 20 is the
There's
school.
kids here. That's why I say I go 20.
What's 20?
The
On
school
my side,
is
you said
20, 25 the
not
residence area.
dropping me off because we're early somewhat. Somewhat early.
Park under the tree. Yesterday we got here early, and all the trees were taken. And I looked at it. I couldn't see what was going on. The little dots, at home base.
Hey, look, it's the M&9 Eagles. We're in Canada. Have you ever been to Canada?
Daddy been there. Mommy.
Daddy,
Mommy, not
have you
yet.
ever been to Canada? Daddy, have you ever been to Canada?
Yeah, I've been to Canada.
What do you think
Never
of
been in
Canada?
Canada or just
Nice.
Nice. It's like 6 states in Canada or something.
Yep. been there, yes. Got the
Did you watch the Toronto Blue Jays?
Not drop you, RJ, because it's
Don't
big.
drop
the
me
shade's
off.
gone
Already
already?
said.
Sa,
like, people come in to get the shade right away.
yeah.
People love the shade.
Sis, you want to be not hot in the car.
Our car is very gonna
You
be.
go drive on the pickup truck. Ano?
I don't care.
Let's go in between the pickup truck.
Yeah, because have shade here.
Let's go pickup truck. Let's go pickup truck.
Let's sit here for a little bit. So we played this team once before and they destroyed us.
Yes.
So why are we even here?
You know why we're here. We're here to do nothing. See, there's literally nobody here.
There's the other team.
That's not the other team.
Look how they practice.
That's not the other team. The team is purple.
Look like that uniform RJ before.
Yeah, that's not our team. That's not the team we're facing.
Okay, we here now, guys. Galaw na namin din kuha niyo. Chair and umbrella. There is. Okay mga higalaw mo ni ang playground diri. Ato siya ang baseball ground. Ano yung nagdula? So good na siya. Here. Panata. Akong chair. Oh, kainit. It's 5 o'clock. Grabe init. Belyot sa panit. Ano? Oops.
That's 4-1, but they call it strike.
Where is RJ?
Who's after Riker?
There you go, RJ.
Nice pitch, Richie.
Oh, my goodness.
You okay, RJ? Ryan, Dallin's right there.
RJ said.
Swing, RJ. Not swing.
Good eye, RJ. Ryan.
RBI.
Go run! Ah!
Catch it! Catch it!
Easy win. Huh?
We won this, we would have lost this game. That's it. But we won it.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, 5 o'clock.
Have other games.
Number 4.
Yep. You happy that have other games.
No outside. Slide.
Yeah!
Hydrate. Hydrate.
Good job, RJ. You lucky you're a monkey, RJ. Your monkey is lucky. Yeah, RJ win. Have other games. How much the score, RJ? 6-17. Yep. Oh, so hot. Oh. Grabing init. What na? Okay, umbrella. Careful. What's that there? Ah, what's he do, RJ? Yeah. Oh, grabe
17
ka init. Sweat.
We survived. We're not the worst team in the league.
Lucky RJ, they win
2
today.
wins. It doesn't go the regular season thing, but we got 2
Have
wins.
other games. Tomorrow have games, RJ.
Yep.
Wow, look at the.
We gotta play next game.
If we
It
win,
gets better.
and if we win that game, we've gone. There's another
Right now
game.
we're 2 and
Yeah.
7.
And then
Should've
another
been
game. Then another
3
game.
and
Then
6.
another game. Thousands of games.
You don't want to stop the games, RJ. You
We
want
should have
to
been 3 and 6 a couple
play, RJ.
Yeah.
teams ago. They ripped us off.
Yep.
You
Oh wait.
Yep. You
champions.
happy? Happy, RJ. Congrats, you win today.
I got hit in the back.
Yay. Yeah. That's it for
That's
now.
what you
Bye
got. Walk
bye.
to 3.